Hi, this is Hillary from the Boulder City Library, and I'm here to tell you about some of our STEAM kits that we have available to check out. The first one I have here is the Yoga for Mindfulness kit. This is our Yoga for Mindfulness kit. It's for grades pre-K to 3rd grade. Namaste should be in every child's vocabulary. This kit is a delightful introduction that encourages teamwork and healthy physical activity. Designed to encourage children to experiment with basic yoga poses and build confidence using 2 engaging games for multiple players. That's our Yoga for Mindfulness kit. I'll put everything back. It comes in a convenient bag that holds everything, and you get a list of everything that should be in your kit. So make sure you pay attention to all the items that it comes with. And let's zip that up. Is the Robotics and Coding kit. This one is a lot of fun because it teaches basic coding and it also gets you up and moving around. This technology-focused STEAM kit is full of fun facts about robots, computer, X-ray, and other cool technology and inventions. Then get active with the interactive coding games that keep bodies busy while brains gain valuable practice in sequencing, decision-making, and following commands just like a computer. This is for grades pre-K to 3rd grade. Last, we have our Food and Nutrition kit. Let's get everything out. Get kids talking about the science of food, the 5 food groups, and the composition of a healthy meal. Practice healthy meal building skills with the Healthy Helpings game. Learn how to garden with pretend flower pots, watering cans, a shovel, plants, and vegetables. Then develop color recognition and sorting skills with bushels of produce and learn the nutritional value of eating the rainbow. This is great for grades pre-K to 3rd grade also. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning about a few of the STEAM kits we have available. We have many more here, so come on down to the library and take a look. Bye-bye.